Yeah. Oh, Biscuit the pop-up dog. All right, GDLC up a little bit more. Ooh, Tesla caving in a little bit today. Hey, what's up, our Pete? Tesla gapping up today, but they're taking that as a bit of a selling opportunity. Nothing too aggressive. NIO, Tesla up about the same amount. GBTC doing good. AMC, again, AMC's been having some pretty good days. Hey, what's up, Julius? Let's fix this. Morning, Rob. Sure, I'll break that in about 12 minutes, but that's okay. So yeah, AMC gapping up again, having. Hey, what's up, Mohammed? Having a nice little go at it here. Out of some COVID stuff. Morning, Ellie. Everyone's here bright and early. Look at you guys. Did you guys even brush your teeth? I don't even think you guys brush your teeth, you nasty bastards. Yeah, crypto's on fire. We had a XRP selling event last night. I went live for that. That was pretty cool. I don't sound like too much of an idiot this morning, so that sounds good. XPI, Roku, Nasdaq sideways again. Yesterday, market fumbled a little bit, but we bounced back to close in the middle of the day, so kind of a doji. Weird. It's back, so you sound wrong now. Well, if you remember my words last night, it says the selling event could come back, but it's like at least going to consolidate, and it's at least doing that. We'll see what happens, but that was definitely a selling event. That's a lot of volume for it to try to overtake. All right, Tesla up 3%. I thought it was gapping up 5. I guess it's 3. That shows you what I know about math. That's why I ask Mel about math stuff. And my 9-year-old son. And for some reason, a 5-minute chart and weekly chart aren't loading today. Sounds about right. You, that's JD, that is not you. What's JD doing? Are you breaking out of a cup and handle? Don't mess with my data. Come on. It's messing with my data. All right, I'm gonna have to. Oh, you guys are gonna have to just describe the charts in words for me. Go. Come on. Just a little description, just something. Just put it out there because I can't see anything. You, okay. You and JD look very similar. Same with Very Fine Foods looks very similar. Julius, you rely on. What have I been teaching you this entire time? Gosh. Red, green numbers, lots of numbers. Okay, okay, I'm starting to get it. Starting it. No, I'm not. It's not happening. Big stick. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna close this and reopen it. I don't know if it's gonna do anything, but I don't know what else to do. And look at that, me working on something. I guess we can look on here. Yeah, I'm doing that, Julius. It should have nothing to do with the app. It's more than likely just the data feed to the charts. All right, so Tesla gapping up today. Not too bad. Porn wallpaper behind. That's on my other laptop, Ellie. You're silly. So what else we got? We had just mentioned you. Switch to the daily time frame. I remember I mentioned you down in this area was gonna go. There you go. It's gone. I tried it once and couldn't hold on to it because I suck, but that's okay. MJ's running. ACB. Oh, nice gap up there. Tilray. Not really getting that started. CGC, one we didn't really look at during the last bull run here, but actually holding up very well. Two little small consolidations. Yeah, I don't think that's too bad. Canopy Growth Company. Definitely better chart than Tilray. Look at Tilray. Sheesh. Of course, it also has a lot more history, so there's a difference right there. Canopy Growth Company, um, doing pretty decent. All right, what else? What else we got? Because I have no watch list anymore either. Let's look at Boeing. Trying to rebound. Man, Thinkorswim taking its sweet ass time. Taking its sweet, sweet time. Oh, yeah. Ah, now I have, okay, I got weekly charts. I can deal with weekly. And no watch list. I can. You know, this really makes you appreciate TradingView. I'm just going to say. Oh, watch list came back. GDLC. Up 13%. AMC, NIU, GBTC up here, 6%. EXPI. Tesla languishing a little bit. See what's low today. Solo, XPEV finally taking a red day, taking a break. AYRO, Peloton, Zoom, DDOG lower. AMD lower. NVIDIA lower. PLNHF. These are the dispensaries, right? Ooh, that looks pretty good. Look at that thing. Bam. That looks beautiful. Primed for a breakout, guys. Planet 13 Holdings. Maybe we can look at an options trade or something. Why would we do something like that? And they don't have options. All right, fair enough. Yeah, over the counter. That's why. Looks pretty good though. Yeah, I really can't argue against that. That's a nice it's a nice setup. This ain't today, is it? This volume? That is a ton of volume. No, that's not today. Are they traded today yet? Think we're is that why my is that oh it's back. We're kind of back. Oh yeah, Nasdaq just took a little bit of a redness, if that's a thing. Yeah, but GDLC getting someone saw my tweet about it, and yesterday really expanding this thing. Could try to play catch up. I'm not sure the mechanism behind this one, but with all the crazy crypto market action, looking pretty good. All right, so yeah, Tesla with a little bit of selling pressure up here on a gap. They gapped up almost to 550. Hold on, more birds. Birds. James, can you get him dressed, bud? Have a dog for that? Oh, Ellie. Dogs don't do anything except for poop on your floor. That's all. Kind of like children. Kind of like children. Very similar. All right, yeah, Tesla selling off a little bit here. Nothing too drastic. They gapped it up to sell it off. So that money was probably never really yours to begin with. Very Fine Foods has kind of been on a bit of a tear here, guys. I don't know why we haven't been talking about it, but Very Fine Foods looking pretty good up here. Looking not too bad. I do have a trade on this. I probably should consider maybe taking some profits on it. It's up quite a bit. OPTT, which one's that one? Like I'm supposed to read that. How am I supposed to read that little? That's ridiculous. All right. So Tesla, I think Tesla's doing great. I was actually looking at the model book stock for Tesla right now, which is Apple, and the price action on Tesla is a little bit better than the price action on Apple. So doing really well so far. Enjoying that. It's really nice. MJ, there you go. 4.79%. This is the ETF for some marijuana stuff. They may have changed their holdings, so I don't know exactly what's in it at the moment. Oh, that stupid bird's back. Did he bite you? What happened? Take care of that knee. Is it just that? Are you okay? Okay. Yeah, it's not a good one. Yeah, if I don't go attack those birds when they first jump out there, man, about 12 seconds, I'll have 300 birds on my lawn. Stream issues. Yeah, it looks like it. Hey, man, they said dial-up was making a comeback. They've improved it. Elon Musk took over the dial-up internet, and so I signed up for it. He said it's statistically more relevant, and it is a oh gosh, I can't think of the word. He said it's exponentially better than by at least 3 factors of 10 better than DSL. That's what he said. Go talk to him. NIU Planetar UAL up 6%. All right, guys, this could be UAL day. Look at that, bam! Let's buy this motherfucker. I do have a little bit of money left. Ellie, 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 wake up! What do you think? We got UAL maybe on an upswing here, bud. Rob, you too. Maybe we'll take a measured move. That gets us up to 63. Whoa, that's pretty good even into January, son. Me told me. I'm telling you right now. I ain't gonna say I told you. Don't say I told you so. Well, like I said, UAL's never coming back. No, I said when's the right time. Today looks almost like the right time. All right, so if it gets to 63, which would be a measured move of this prior run that it had here from the bottom to the top, if that happens by January 15th, I could go out to March. That would still be 200%, but January is much more than that. So break even levels of between 46 to 49. $44 has a 47.85 break even. That's pretty good. I kind of like that one. All right, let's see how this does. So far, good. Look at the volume on the daily or on the 5-minute, vastly exceeding all these prior days right here, which have been pretty good. There's a clean pocket pivot right there. That one's not quite a pocket pivot, but I could lean into that. As the Nasdaq sells off, oddly enough, It's only down 0.15. It's not really selling off, but still a point remains. Um, hmm. Hmm. All right. Definitely an intriguing day. So I like this is kind of a Dan Zanger play right here too. I gotta say. I love it when I see styles trading like someone else. All right, I'm taking an entry on here. It's still going. See if I can get logged in before this thing rallies to 50. How was I already not logged in? Okay, so UAL. What are we at? We're at 44,115. Okay, not too bad of a spread right there. All right, I got the order and haven't pulled the trigger yet. It looks like Tesla filling the gap right there. And UAL coming in just a teeny bit. Can't say it's that extravagant. I'm looking at the January 44 for about just under 400%. 394. Well, you know, by the time it gets filled and stuff, it's not going to be that, but cool. That's for this run right here. That's for it to run essentially start this run. So if this stagnates, it's not going to be super. But the 44 has a break-even price of 47.85, which is not too bad. All right, well later, Rob. Go swim with the fishes. All right, that's looking pretty good. Um, 36. All right, I just entered just entered that. We'll see how that goes. Layered into it actually. Didn't quite enter it. All right, VFF. I'm not quite sure if it's done up here, but I got some pretty good profit on it. Yeah, it's over a double, so I could take this. Could roll it into UAL maybe. Haven't really done too much homework on this particular name. I'm kind of annoyed I don't have enough crypto in my Roth, to be honest with you. James, what you doing, bud? Of course, look at that run. Geesh, if I look at that run, I should hold this thing forever. And look at the volume coming out of this thing. That's amazing, VFF. Get dressed for the day? Yes, you may. No, what? You can get dressed for the day, and then you can. Then you can have something to munch on. You can have something. No, I said you can get dressed for the day. I was talking to James. James, do you have to get dressed for the day at some point? Then make that point now. Thank you. Fantastic. Yeah, 46 is better. I agree, Ellie. Yeah, I just took a little bit of. I don't have any intrinsic value in either one of those options, but the closer I get to the money, the less it's going to drop off. I made that mistake with Uber. Speaking of Uber, I'm sure it's probably eating my lunch right now. Oh, it's actually up today. Or up-ish. Okay. I'm only down 10% in Uber now. That's not too bad. Tesla's still up 2%, which is pretty good, even though it's selling off a little bit here. It's not, it's still up. So I really can't argue with that price action. In fact, I'm not going to. I'm not going to argue with that. Uber, looks like it's trying to go higher. Not quite sure what's working it out, I guess. Yeah, I don't know if I like that position. I'm a little annoyed by it. Little bit annoyed. Check on UAL. All right, expanding up, ladies and gentlemen. So I need to jump in a little bit heavy here. Or a little more, I should say. I don't know about heavy. See if I can get... I took it to 4.2, huh? Okay. Yeah, brush teeth, bud. What? Build a big last mention for animals in Minecraft?
I forgot to press the word glass. That's what I needed.
Is that what you needed? High five. Good job. Go brush teeth. All right, Tesla already got a small wick on it here, so it looks like it's bouncing back already, which is pretty good. UAL up here at the prior high, stagnating a little bit. We'll see if our volume is going to be enough to sustain us. It's good. It can do it. We just got to see if it's going to. So that's our prior high. Right up there at 42.91. And we're above it. Oh, that's this high. And you go a week or so back. So, all right. AMC Theaters up 12%. This thing has been having quite a few days up towards the top of our list of this, having some momentum in it recently, which is good. GDLC doing really good with the crypto bull market. GBTC up 8%. Getting close to that 38. It's at 23 still. A significant amount of percentage to go. 46 would be double, so that's pretty good. UAL, nice right there. Royal Caribbean starting to go as well. I think they're starting to jump back in those names finally after that vaccine news. So some longer term prospects on those I think would be great. MJ doing good because of the Biden win. You sold off. Signature Bank of New York, very strong here. Yeah, just a little bit, Ellie. I mean, if you look at, yeah, it's fine. I don't see anything super wrong with that. Look at the daily time frame. It hasn't broken any trend at all. It's definitely still within ranges, so no need to panic. Because I know a slightly frowny face is like you freaking the F out. I said F. I didn't say the word. Go get the birds. There's birds. There's birds. Slap the window. See if that'll work. Oh, the window. Okay, now we can't see the birds anymore. We're always fighting birds over here. All right. What else is on our radar, guys? I know we talked about Micron. And that's above our trend lines, but it's doing okay. Definitely a long-term turnaround play. Breakout, which is good. We had a good breakout candle. I mean, this looks fine. Nothing wrong here with Micron. AMD. I actually got out of AMD yesterday. I don't vibe with this stock. When these things don't run like this, I don't handle them too well. So I ditched this probably about break even. I don't even know if I don't know. I may have made a little something or lost a little something, but it doesn't matter. The run never really transpired. So, I mean, it's not dead by any stretch. If you've got it, no need to ditch it. But for my options plays, it was just kind of a non-starter. Good luck, Julius. I'm just going to say that. Good luck. Apparently, you don't read the news. How's Intel better? If this thing breaks that 42 level, if this thing breaks its 42, it is done. I mean, done. This is in a real danger right now. Real danger. Intel has no good news coming out. Nothing good is coming out of Intel. I hope so. Hope so, Julius. I'm not betting against you. I'm on your side. But I just think your side's flawed. It's like I'm rooting for my kids if they're playing against the Los Angeles Lakers. I'm going to root for my kids, but I know what the outcome will be. Anyway. All right, AMC 15%. How's UAL doing? Consolidating that nicely. How do you open it up? On the right, you see the string. You pull it down, and you keep and then to the right, you have to like this. Take Ethan, look at me. Okay. Oh, no, the other way. No, to the right, all the way to the right. Ethan, look at me. You know what? Fine. I'm not going to help you then if you're going to have that attitude. That's fine, just like that. Now you can let it go. All right, so UAL holding up pretty good here. MJ642 looks like a little bobble on the open, but it's pretty stable so far. Tesla bouncing back a little bit, 274. I don't know why I'm looking at it. It's not like I'm selling it, so I'm not even gonna bother. But daily looks fantastic on Tesla. I would like a little bit more volume, but I was looking at the Apple chart. Let's look at our model book chart real quick. So I want you guys to memorize this Apple chart. You got it? Good. All right. Well, so you see high volume coming in here into the symmetrical triangle, and the volume coming out is definitely above average, but lower volume. Apple similar situation. Let's go. Let's take a little trip. Take a little trip with me. Take a little trip. Take a little trip and see. So here you go. So here's your run up into the flag. Very, very high volume. Declining volume. Then here's your breakout. Barely above average. And then it actually runs here on fairly minimal volume. You do have several pocket pivots that show up. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe 10, but I doubt it. 11. So, I mean, you end up with a bunch of pocket pivots, but this one got started pretty good on a very nice gap and really didn't get going as aggressive as Tesla has. Obviously, you have these smaller consolidations you have to hold through. This does test the 50-day moving average one time right here. So if you miss this and we come back to the 50-day, you could have yourself a buy point on Tesla. The rest of the time, it basically respected the 20-day moving average, which was pretty good. So it did bobble it once it got down to the 50, but after that, it's pretty much above it the entire time. So that's your model book stock right now, and so far Tesla coming out of the blocks much quicker than Apple did. Much quicker than Apple did. It also got up much quicker than Apple did into that high territory from the lows down here into the highs. This got up. I think Apple's took a year and a half. This maybe took a year. So it was even up quicker than Apple was. So it would make sense that its rally would be quicker, which would be great. I'd like to keep some volatility and sell some days once we finally hit some type of a target and have an exit signal. I think that would be friggin' amazing. And then I may take a vacation. I may just go away for a while. Not likely, but not likely, but you never know what's gonna happen. Um, yeah, this trade. I gotta say, for those of you guys that haven't had any success yet, I mean, I've had success the past several years, but for some reason, I'm finally getting into large dollar amounts, and it's interesting to realize that you're finally in the middle of your journey of what you've been working for a very, very long time. I've been working towards, success like this for years, decade plus, and for it to finally be in the middle of that journey, I just gotta say it's a great experience. I wish I could rush to the finish line, but still a lot of work to do. So we still got to be good traders and do nothing. That's what a good trader does. Nothing. I was talking to Mike this morning, and what did he say? He said, "This is nuts. I've worked hard on this over the last 2 years to have experience to cope with this." And then I said, "It's amazing what you have to work hard at to do nothing." uh, I think trading is the art of not trading. So, like, I legitimately think that it's the art of not trading. All right, guys. Woo, son. Let's go. I don't know. All right, come on, UAL. I finally like you, so frickin' do something. Come on. Give us another 5% today. Give us a 14% day. Why is my dog barking? Why is Biscuit barking? Is mommy asleep still? Yeah, okay. Biscuit, just chill. 8 o'clock, guys. It's 8 o'clock. Where's your market? All right, so the Nasdaq actually the Nasdaq's been floundering. I think it was Rob yesterday that said, and since Rob's going to go, sleep with the fishes, he's not going to be able to confirm this, but I think he's the one that said the Nasdaq's due like a 4% pop. The way the Nasdaq's behaving, I do kind of agree with that. But some of these, it's really nice that you're seeing these other stocks that aren't, major players in the index move pretty nice. What's up, JJ? You got SBE? What's that one? Holy crap. What is this? Rob's in trouble. He didn't find this one. Financial services? What the fuck is this? Some crypto related stuff? Dude, these guys just are going balls deep in crypto right now. SBE, I'm not sure what this is, but that is a very intriguing setup. No? What do they do? Don't tell me it's your company. I'm going to flip out. JJ, I need to be on your board, okay? Oh, charging? Switchback Energy Acquisition Corporation? That sounds like a SPAC. Well, this one's already gone. It's gone. Yeah, one of those reverse mergers. Yep. Net 2%. All right, looks like Net is kind of back to joining. Oh, wow, look at that. Net just got a ton of volume. Just got a bunch of volume. That could be really good for Net. Although it looks like it gets it from time to time. Yeah, I don't know about that, JJ. I can't do that, my friend. Um, I can't buy something up 100% like that. it's just I can't do it. I just can't do it. Now, if it consolidates for a couple of days, I'm all over it. But yeah, I don't do that. My trade is Tesla. That's my big trade. See, here's the thing, guys. For me, and this is what's worked well for me. And the thing I have to do is I think I have to know these companies a little bit better. This trade on Tesla, this for me is bread and butter. If you're good at trading these large caps when they have these big breakouts like this, you can just the amount of scale that you can, the amount of money you can pile into these things effectively. If I had a $500 million account, I could likely still take decent position sizes in Tesla. You know what I mean? So just by kind of gravitating towards these and understanding these and learning how to deal with these really big market cap companies, I mean, the gains are unreal and the size you can get is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Now, I do like to play with these smaller ones. I got UAL, I got some Uber, I got some Riot. Riot's stalling today, by the way. I don't know why Riot moves counter to Bitcoin. It's so weird. But anyway. Yeah, I don't want to put that money at risk for something like that. I mean, you see it 100%, you think it's going to go another 100%, and it's probably not, you know? I mean, granted, we've seen a lot of crazy moves these days. NIO's been a little bit different. Looks like NIO's coming off a little bit today. And not as much volume interest. Yeah, so NIO dying just a little bit. All right, let's look it up, JJ. What do we got? Um, Wait, no, that's the wrong one. Where? Oh, there it is. ACB moving first. I kind of want to get into an MJ play. I don't know though. All right, let's look at this. Let's look at this before I get off of JJ's point here with SBE. Switchback Energy. Four days ago. How many of these are we missing, guys? We're missing so many of these. These little poppers like this. They go on to like double in a few days. Jeez. I gotta get going in a little bit, guys. It's already 8:08. 73% of network level 2 chargers. What about it?
My computer's flipped over and it's passed.
All right, guys, I gotta bail. I gotta get out of here. Kid needs help with school. I'm not gonna get back in any reasonable amount of time. Looks like Tesla's popping towards the high of the day. We got Tesla doing good. UAL appears to be still on the upswing. Looks like they are accumulating all of these ones. So, all right, guys, I will see you guys later in the power hour if you're in there. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day.